Okay, so if you guys don't know, these guys are actually connected with a webbing. They're actually connected. So if they screw up, oh God, don't screw up. Oh, they're doing it. They got it. Oh, they barely made it. Oh, the webbing came off at the very end. Oh, shit. Hopefully he's all right. Okay, here they go. These guys are connected with a webbing strap. You can see it right there. There is a webbing. So if they get too far apart, that strap's just going to come right off, and then they're disqualified. They did it. They made it. Yes, the strap is still intact. They didn't break the strap. That's pretty good.